What?
Did what?
Last year, I did the walk.
Did what?
Talk to the birds.
Oh.
Well, in the old house that we used to live in, there's a lot of birds.
Mm.
Did you do it when we lived there?
Yeah, I would love it. Yeah, if there was like 10 birds over there, I would just go talk to them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's usually blackbirds. There's usually blackbirds on people's houses, but it's not going to scream that far, so I can talk to them. But they can't tweet that far.
Really?
What kind of birds do we have around here?
I come up on a bunch of green birds.
Green?
hmm
Where?
On the fence.
When?
There are a bunch of yellow. They have green wings, and they're yellow.
Oh.
So those are
Sounds like
the ones that are not afraid. Those are basically the only ones I come up on.
Wow.
But
I have ice cream.
But
Yeah,
what? But what were you
For
saying?
a long time.
I think I would come up on
Wes is
some
so
of.
repressed.
I think I'd come up on some of the bluebirds.
Ooh.
Only if we're wearing a blue shirt
Really?
and blue pants.
Ooh.
What?
So we gotta wear all blue?
And blue glasses for you.
Oh, I gotta put my blue glasses on? Oh, I could do that.
And since we have blue eyes, they would love us all.
Yes, all the Bordeaux, right?
Yep.
Blue eyes.
Grandma already has that one on.
That's right, she already got a blue shirt on.
And blue glasses.
Yep,
And
true.
blue pants.
Yep.
True. Oh, Grandma, you can go right now.
Ugh.
Should you wait till the sun is up?
Yep. They only come out at sun.
Do they talk to you at night, any?
Nope. I never come out at night for them.
Do they ever come to your window?
No.
And are they like talk to you
No.
at night, sending messages?
No.
Okay.
I have ice cream.
And if they were doing that, they
You can
would
wait a
do.
little bit less.
Really?
Can you get me
They would be doing.
Yeah, just wait a minute.
With their foot?
Or their fingernail. I mean their nail on the.
Their
That's
their
Minecraft,
toenail?
I was thinking that.
Yeah. And then they'll be like, tweet tweet.
Daddy, in Minecraft, I
And
was
how about we look out there for a long time?
We can. I would love to do that. Like bird watching
Mm-hmm.
with our bird book.
Oh yes. Where is it?